Hi! In front of me is Realme Narzo 50, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off automatic screen rotation on this Realme smartphone. Start by opening tab menu and looking for Auto Rotate icon. When you find it, just tap on it. As you can see, mine is white. That means that auto rotation is off. In order to turn it back on, just click on the same icon. You can always go into settings as well, scroll down and tap on display and brightness. Now scroll down again and click on this switcher next to Auto Rotate. If it's gray, that means that auto rotation is off. In order to turn it back on, click on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!